Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find apps and notifications. Now let's tap on advanced and enter special app access. Here we have to find the option which is called install unknown apps. And as you can see, here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, you can change it. For example, if you would like to allow Chrome to install something, just tap on it and tap on the switcher here. After getting back, you can see that from now on, the Chrome is allowed to install something. But be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your device and data on the risk. So remember about that. Of course, you can turn off all of those permissions, just go back, simply tap on the app you would like to turn off and tap on this switcher. And as you can see, from now on, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually, this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your NOKIA G20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.